It's the premium packaged family transporter that is the new Kia Sorento. I really wish more cars were like this. I really do thoroughly enjoy driving the Kia Sorento, and I drove one some time back. A link to that video and review will be in the description below, but this is the latest Kia Sorento, and from the outside you'll notice it's got much more angular, sharper looking lines, the new grille, the daytime running lights, and just what is overall a very impressive looking exterior. But crucially, the changes with this latest generation Kia Sorento come within sharpening the pencil overall. Firstly, it used to be available as a 5 or 7 seater. Now with this latest generation, it's a 7 seater only. And I think that's rather smart because you get the benefits of 7 seats if you want them, and if you don't, you're getting a really impressive luggage load area where the seats drop flat at 605 litres. You can of course drop down the rear bench as well in its standard configurements, and you just find that the Kia Sorento is packed with practicality. Now in terms of the drive and engines, you can either have it as front-wheel drive or with Kia's Dynamax all-wheel drive system in an EX or LX variants, and I must say this car is a real delight to drive. You got loads of space seated up front here, you got impressive space seated behind myself there, and of course if you need it, you got 7 seating ability. You also find that it's a really premium, comfortable place to be seated. It feels really nice as you ride along, a soft, comforting ride with impressive ride height. The cabin is well ergonomically laid out, and I've got everything from a touchscreen media system here with navigation, Bluetooth of course, all your media choices. You can use Apple's CarPlay and Android Auto, tons of storage compartments and bins, USBs. At the back I've got a power socket, aircon vents. There really is so much in the way of standard kit and features here that it makes driving the Sorento a real joy, and one that's ever so practical. With pricing starting at around 580,000 Rand, the Kia Sorento really does tick so many boxes. It's sold with Kia's industry-leading 5-year unlimited kilometer manufacturer service plan, as well as Kia's 3-year roadside assistance. All of this coupled with its spaciousness, practicality, luxuriousness, and what is a car that's fantastic to drive, makes this all-new Kia Sorento a car which just makes so much sense. From me, Jason of Technobok, until next time, I'll see you guys soon. Cheers for now.